Hello. 5.5 years ago, this lawn was established from scratch using sod rolls. 2 years ago, I renovated this lawn where I did not use any herbicide, but this time I have treated everything with herbicide. Now let me tell you what new things I will do for this lawn today. I will use this fleece of 17 grams per square meter to ensure that I provide a microclimate. I maintain a higher temperature during the night. I prevent birds from coming to the lawn and losing some seeds. By using this fleece, I can even guarantee that the moisture will remain longer and the seeds that are not well incorporated will retain moisture and germinate. So basically, with this fleece, you can I want to tell you that I have never used anything like this before. It's new for me as well, and I'm curious to see what results we will have with this fleece. This is what the area looks like. And in this part, I left a control area to see the differences. Now we just have to wait and see how it evolves. And in 3 to 4 days, we will see if the seeds will germinate. This is my first experience with this fleece. Today we are 6 days after installing this fleece, and I can share some pros and cons. First, I will start with the cons. Do not insist on irrigating unless it is dry under the fleece. I want to tell you that I was used to watering for 4 to 5 times during this autumn period, even up to 6 times. After experimenting in the past few days, I concluded that watering once a day seems to be sufficient. But due to too much water, the fleece has sagged, and those areas have stuck together. I want to tell you that the germination is not extraordinary. There will probably be problems. Try to suspend the fleece as much as possible. I will try to show you in a few accompanying images what I'm talking about. I did not leave these fixing clamps down. Initially, the fleece was here. Well, if I water here, it will stick. So, I lifted the fleece and tensioned it with these clips as high as possible. This seems to be a solution in case you overwater. It should stay away from the ground, and it needs to be tensioned quite well to avoid the fleece sticking to the soil. As I mentioned, water as rarely as possible. Only when you see that the soil starts to dry out on the surface. By using this fleece, the temperature remains somewhat constant. I want to show you here in the control area the germination rate of the seeds. This area is uncovered, and the germination rate is extremely low. In the first 3 days, I saw the first germination, and then on the 4th day, there was an explosion of perennial ryegrass, and today, on the 6th day, a few fine fescue shoots have started to appear. I suspect that the Kentucky Bluegrass will take a few more days to germinate, as it has a fairly long germination period, somewhere between 14 to 30 days. Look at what's here. They have germinated very well, and it is even visible that fine fescue or pretensis have started to germinate. Around that area, the germination is not very good because the fleece has stuck. So that's what I had to share with you today about this little feedback after 6 days with the fleece. I want to tell you that, in my opinion, the fleece is brilliant, and I recommend you use it as well. Now let's see how the lawn looks. There are some weeds, but especially there are seeds from this green edge. If you remember, I will now show you this area with the fleece. Here we had the biggest problems. I removed the fleece 6 days after seeding one of the areas. As you can see, it has recovered very well. Now let me show you another area that is recovering. Right here and on the other side. It is also recovering. Let me show you an area where my experiment with the fleece had very good results. It's right here. If you look closely, you can see how fragile they are. So they will grow and become thicker. Even though I still have some gaps like I have here or here, I won't do anything because the grass repairs itself. And here is the control area. And the area where a sprinkler broke and washed away some seeds. But still, something came up. Overall, I am satisfied so far, considering that it's a very slow mix, Barenbrug resilient blue lawn. I will be patient, because I will only see the real results of this seeding with this new mix along with the fleece next year.